For this video, let's consider that my store product deliveries are getting delayed due to high demand, so I want to show a pop-up with the message, "Due to high demand, the item deliveries will take up to 7 to 9 days. The final result should look something like this. First, I will install Profi Discount and Countdown Bar from the app link in the description. Once the app is installed, I will go ahead and activate the app embeds from the theme customization section. To create a pop-up, I will click on the Create Banner button and select Full Page Pop-up from the options. After the banner edit screen is loaded, I will enter the name of the pop-up. Next, I will add the pop-up message in the banner content section. Additionally, I will update button text and button destination URL. In case you don't want to display a button, simply change action type to none. I will navigate to Pop-up Setup and select the height and width of the pop-up. Pop-ups are a great way to get user attention, but they are also intrusive, hence it can affect SEO of the page. To avoid this, we will add a 5 seconds delay for displaying the pop-up. Navigate to Visibility Settings in the Visibility Duration section. For show after, select 5 seconds. Showing pop-up for every page load can irritate users, so I will enable the Hide After Close option to show pop-up once per user and save the banner. Now when I refresh the page and wait for 5 seconds, pop-up appears on the screen. Once it's closed, it doesn't appear from the next page load.